Hello, everyone. My name is Greg Bruce, and welcome to the MBA A10 um, Leadership Skill Development. I thought I'd give you a brief introduction quick intro to the course. Just overview of what we're looking at here. Um, we're looking at development of leadership skills, and what we hope to do, and I hope to do with you in this course, is focus attention on the fundamental building blocks of leadership and leadership skills. And from my experience of over 30 years of teaching and working with executives, I believe what we are going to be talking about here are fundamental for you to develop your leadership influence skills. I like this little chart in the sense that when you think about your development, you first get a job or complete training or at school, you have certain technical or knowledge skills, and that's really what helps you get started in a job. If you look at this chart on the left are the various levels you might find in an organization, and running along the bottom are the different types of skills. And as you um, move up in your career and experience, you tend more toward leadership skills being called for. And what leadership to me is about is influencing other people. You can't talk about leadership without talking about people. And so a significant part of this is your interaction with others, which includes really effective interpersonal skills, effective management skills. And in a sense, that's what we're going to be focusing a great deal of attention on this semester are the building blocks, personal skills, management skills. Let me spend just a little bit of time going through the syllabus and highlighting some things for you on the syllabus. I had sent it to you last week, and here you'll find um, various links to resources that would help you on campus. We're here for 8 weeks, so it's time. There's a picture of yours truly. Um, Here's information on getting in touch with me. I check my email all the time. That's my cell phone. You can feel free to text me. I probably won't be in the office given all that we're dealing with COVID. So contact. Um, this course description, I'll read that for you. It emphasizes the importance of self-awareness for leadership development. We'll be spending a lot of time on you taking assessments of your management style and different skill areas. Some of the things we'll be looking at are stress and time management, decision making, how to give effective feedback, motivating others, gaining power and influence, conflict, leading change. Uh, One of the things I'm going to ask you to do this semester is identify one skill you would like to work on for a few weeks and spend time working on that skill. That's a major part of this. There are two major papers. One uh, asks you to do a skill analysis using a very structured approach, and then the other asks you to choose a skill to develop and work on, and we can talk more. I'll be using Zoom this semester. It looks like I'll be doing Zoom sessions on Tuesday nights. Probably the best time to do something in a week as you immerse yourself. I certainly don't expect you to attend those. I would hope that you would attend them if you can. I will be making videotapes of all of them. Going down through this, let me highlight this. It's absolutely critical that you get this book. This book is mandatory and you will need it to do the work this semester. You can get this anywhere. You can get it on Amazon. I believe at LaSalle, if you go check there, it links you into getting this book online. You can get online versions of it from the publisher. So I would get working on this right away and make sure you have this book. Here's some other material on Firefox. Chrome are recommended. I use Chrome myself. Canvas, I will be putting other learning resources in Canvas for you. Just some stuff on contract hours. I've put in the weekly schedule. This may change a little bit, but this is pretty much how I envision it happening. I noticed a couple mistakes with dates I have, but if you read down through this, you'll get an idea of the different things we'll be doing this semester. Evaluation, there are various assignments. Here's the skill analysis paper I mentioned, a contract where I asked you to outline the skill you would like to improve, and then a skill development paper at the end of the semester. Some other assignments that you will be doing, and all those add to 100%. Here's the grading scale, and then the rest of the syllabus outlines various things. As I said, the syllabus looks pretty good. We get into the class, there may be some timing on issues that might change, but what I've outlined for you here is pretty much what will be happening. Let me talk a little bit about the course. When you come into the course, you will see, you come into this home page, and here's quick items where you can go to check on assignments, modules, syllabus section. Let's click on, well, here's the syllabus. If you want to get the syllabus, it's there. Here's a couple assessments you see that are due already. And as you go into this, you'll see various modules. Recommend getting started here. This video isn't about this course. There's an introduction to LaSalle. Here's a little bit more about me, if you'd like to know more. Various tips. This is a discussion here. Ask the instructor. And it's a discussion where you could ask me any questions you want, and I will get back to you on them. Anytime throughout the semester, it's a way to do that. And here's a pre-course self-assessment that I would like you to take almost right away. Just go in here and do this. Then you get into the modules. The first module's on self-awareness. Just go down through them. You'll see an overview where I talk about what we're going to do in the module, some of the objectives, some of the readings that I've put up there, and then activities that you should do. All right. So I've tried to be as clear as possible about anything. So if you look at a module just on here, you'll see lecture materials, you'll see activities, surveys, and inventories. There's videos for you to look at, etc. I'm going to be doing a synchronous session every week. So we'll talk more about this. I just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what all of this looks like. There are all the modules